guys, this is Nathan Salmon, aka Capital Visions, from live in Canada, okay? And I wanted to answer this question, how to be successful online. And what you need to do is, firstly what you need to do is you need to produce content, okay? You need to be that go-to guy. You need to be the expert within your niche field, okay? And I'm going to talk on a lot of key points which will make you successful in online internet marketing. Now, as far as solving a problem, and positioning yourself where the traffic is, to answer that problem, then you become the expert, okay? So people are going to come to you, for multiple questions. That's why people seek out life coaches. That's why people seek out, marketing gurus and whatnot, because they answer the prolific questions: how to make money online, how to do search engine optimization, how to brand yourself effectively. You've got to become that really good individual answering questions, okay, and solving problems. That's step one. What you need to do is you need to figure out your USP, your unique selling point, okay? You need to take the problem, figure out the problem, and expound on why the problem can be resolved in a certain way. Okay, USP. The fact of the matter is, you don't want to be considered the best. You want to be the individual who can solve, the only person that they can go to. You're the only one who understands. You don't want to be considered the best because there's so many people who think they're the best. But what is your USP? What makes you stand out from the crowd? Okay, your USP, the best. You are the best. See what the problem is? The problem is that people don't know who to trust. People don't know what's logistic. People don't know what is, legit. People don't understand who the correct individuals to go with, because there's so many scammers, so many people online who falsify a lot of information. So they want to know that you are integral. You're the one that they want to trust, and you're the one that they can go to back and forth. Repeat buyers, repeat subscribers to your newsletter, to your blog, to whatever you are promoting, whatever you're branding, so that people will come to you. Now, as you know, marketing is all about branding, positioning, creativity, okay? But the right offer has these 4 elements which I want to share with you. The right offer, because it's all about making your offer and positioning yourself where people will be attracted to that offer and therefore make a decision to make a purchase and to buy, okay? So here are the 4 elements of the perfect offer. Number one is that it solves a unique pressing problem, an urgent pressing problem, okay, which is unique and which is superior. So that's number 1, okay? And it's also backed up with proof, testimonials, and it's backed up with the 100% certified stamp, okay? And the fact of the matter is, the final point is that it is an irresistible offer, that it's urgent, someone has to do it right now, has to take action. So those are the elements. So whatever content you're producing, whatever you're branding yourself as, okay, if you hit those 4 elements, okay, which I've just stated, if you hit those 4 elements, you're onto a winner. It's marketing, like I said, is all about branding, positioning, creativity, but you've got to have the right offer. You've got to have the correct USP, okay, to make you stand out from the crowd. And you need to be able to answer those questions which the market is asking, okay? You need to be able to answer and solve problems. If the people who make the most money are those people who are the go-to guys, the people who can solve the most problems, solve the correct and answer the correct questions, and that's why we go to them back and forth. Make yourself that appealing, guys. Now guys, you know what else? You need to become a master in your niche, or some people call it niche, okay, in your niche market. You see, you can't do everything. You can't be, doing the direct selling. You can't be doing the, really good at blogging, and then you're also doing the article submission, and you're also doing this, you're also building the website. You see, what you do, the most creative people are those people who, have leverage, and those people who apportion and delegate people for certain roles. You see, myself, I outsource to the specialists, okay? My specialist specialist role would be video marketing and branding, okay? But I've got someone who's involved in graphic design, photography, building websites, okay? Making lead capture pages, attracting, doing other forms of marketing and other, other things which are located around the whole business world, okay? So you can't do everything. The people who do the most things are the people who work the hardest, and that isn't always the people who make the most money. You need to be able to apportion your time and hit those 4 elements and apportion your time effectively. Guys, from a seminar that I've just not long gone to, I've learned the fact that, if you are looking to build a system, if you are looking to, set up your own brand and set up your own company, and, where people can buy in and become an affiliate, and you want to set up your own network network marketing company, your own MLM, you know what the factor of the matter is that, you know what, the more information you put in there, the more, you know, the more that you've got in your actual, say, your back office, or your more resources that you've got available, the higher the price point, okay? The higher the price point that you can set your information at, because the fact of the matter is people want knowledge, but people want correct knowledge, okay? And people want knowledge which is going to take them from point A to point B. That's exactly what people want. And if you can, I'm not saying to overwhelm them, but if you can overwhelm them with the fact that they'll have so much information which will push their business, and that information which will, sorry, the camera's getting quite heavy, that information which will set them on, you know, the road to success, that is what you want to do. That's why I created my video tutorial showing step by step what I have done through, you know, how to dominate YouTube, how to dominate MySpace, how to dominate Google, how to, you know, hold a video camera, how to, you know, put edits, how to use Final Cut Pro, iMovie, Adobe Premiere, how to, you know, put, you know, captions in your videos, how to make your videos look professional, how to use segmentation so your videos don't get boring, how to, you know, choose settings and whatnot for your videos, you see, because you want to give massive use value. That's what it's about, guys, massive use value. Because you want to give massive use value. That's what it's about, guys, massive use value. It's about every day you stepping out and you know, thinking, how can I empower someone else to go further in their business? How can I empower someone else to go and reach their dreams? My dreams have not been accomplished as yet. I'm still on the pathway of my vision, okay? My dream is to walk on and do seminars and, you know, live teleseminars and, you know, live talks and chat show, all these type of things, you know, and express my creativity, you know? So until I reach that goal, I'm going to continue to give massive use value. Become an expert in your niche, guys. Follow those 4 elements. Make your actually, you know, your brand, you, the most powerful thing, okay? Make people cry out, they must work with you. That's what I've been able to do, and that's what I'm continuing to do, because you know what, there's nothing more powerful than you, there's nothing more powerful than your brand. Stop branding other companies, stop branding the, you know, the opportunity, the compensation plan that you're involved in. Affiliate yourself with the top network marketers, affiliate yourself with the top people within niches, okay? And those people, that's who, they are the specialists, you know, you see in the movies, yeah? Where they've got, you know, people, you know, those people with the guns and stuff like that, they're going around and they call them the specialists, they call them the mercenaries. That's the people they call in for. They call in for, you know, the marksman. In the armies, in the navy, they've got the marksman, which is the sniper. You know, they've got, you know, the people on the front line, the battalion. They got the people who got the shields in the old movies, you know, and they've got people with so many different roles. You got the people, the navy men who work on the ships, who keep the ships afloat. Let's look at it from this perspective. You're on a plane, okay? Now the plane, you've got the cabin crew, and you've got the pilot. You got the, you know, all of the electronics within the aeroplane, and it all works in sync. Remember, specialize. Choose those people in the specialist niches, and you choose the best people to work with so that you can have the best rounded result. So this is Nathan Salmon, aka Capital Visions. It's not over, because I've got some more information coming for you on the way. But have a great day.